Boot Kali Linux installer image. Insert bootable USB drive to your computer and boot from it to start installation process. Once booted, select graphical installation method, recommended for new users. Install Kali Linux complete steps 01. Choose the language to use during installation process, English for me. Install Kali Linux complete steps 02. Select a country for the correct time zone to be set for your machine during installation. Install Kali Linux complete steps 03. Configure keyboard key map. Install Kali Linux complete steps 04. Wait for the installation components to be loaded. Install Kali Linux complete steps 05. Set your machine host name. Install Kali Linux complete steps 06. Set domain name, this will be part of FQDN. Install Kali Linux complete steps 07. Create a user for non-administrative activities, set full name and username. Install Kali Linux complete steps 08. Install Kali Linux complete steps 09. Set password for the user. Install Kali Linux complete steps 10. Set desired time zone. Install Kali Linux complete steps 11. Choose disk partitioning method. If you are not sure, go with guided, use entire disk. Install Kali Linux complete steps 12. Select disk for installation. Install Kali Linux complete steps 13. Select how partitioning should be done. For new users, all files in one partition should work fine. If you have enough installation disk size, you can go with separate /home, /var, /tmp partitions. This may require doing custom partitioning in the previous steps for accurate disk allocation. Install Kali Linux complete steps 14. Write changes to disk. Install Kali Linux complete steps 15. If you chose LVM, set size of volume group to be created. Install Kali Linux complete steps 16. Commit changes to disk. Install Kali Linux complete steps 17. Wait for the installation to start, it should take few minutes. Install Kali Linux complete steps 18. If you have a network proxy for external access, then configure it in the next screen. Install Kali Linux complete steps 19. Package Manager app configuration will start. Install Kali Linux complete steps 20. Choose software applications and Kali desktop environment to install. Install Kali Linux complete steps 22. You can choose tools based on your Kali Linux use case, purpose for installation. Install Kali Linux complete steps 23. Install the Grub bootloader to the master boot record so you can boot your Kali Linux image. Install Kali Linux complete steps 24. Select target disk for Grub installation, mostly the first disk. Install Kali Linux complete steps 25. Your installation completed successful if you don't see any error messages. Install Kali Linux complete steps 26. You can continue and reboot your system to start using Kali Linux.